Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. In this video we'll discuss an introductory guide to coding for beginners, showcasing easy-to-learn programming languages and resources that can help someone start their coding journey. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. In the digital age, coding has become an essential skill with applications ranging from software development and data analysis to web design and automation. For beginners, diving into the world of coding can be both exciting and intimidating. This video serves as a comprehensive guide for beginners, offering insights into the significance of coding, choosing a programming language, available resources, and practical steps to start the coding journey. Understanding the significance of coding. Coding, also known as programming, is the process of creating instructions for computers to execute. In essence, it is the language through which humans communicate with machines to perform specific tasks. The significance of coding goes far beyond computer science and software development. In today's interconnected world, coding skills are valuable in various fields, including science, engineering, finance, design, and even non-technical sectors. Learning to code empowers individuals to automate tasks, solve problems, and create digital solutions, making it a highly sought-after skill in the 21st century. Choosing the right programming language. One of the initial challenges for beginners is choosing the right programming language to start with. The choice often depends on factors such as personal interests, career goals, and the type of projects one envisions. Here are a few popular programming languages for beginners. 1. Python. Python is widely regarded as one of the best programming languages for beginners. Known for its simplicity and readability, Python is versatile and used in various domains, including web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and automation. 2. JavaScript. JavaScript is the language of the web, enabling interactive and dynamic web pages. It's an essential language for front-end web development and, when combined with Node.js, can also be used for back-end development. 3. Scratch. Designed specifically for beginners, Scratch is a visual programming language that uses drag-and-drop blocks to create code. It's an excellent starting point for understanding fundamental coding concepts without dealing with syntax. 4. Java. Java is known for its platform independence, making it a popular choice for building cross-platform applications. It is widely used in enterprise-level development and Android app development. 5. HTML and CSS. While not programming languages in the traditional sense, HTML or hypertext markup language and CSS or cascading style sheets are essential for web development. HTML defines the structure of web content, and CSS is used for styling. 6. Ruby. Ruby is known for its elegant syntax and readability. It is often used in web development, and the Ruby on Rails framework simplifies building robust web applications. The key is not to get overwhelmed by the abundance of programming languages. Starting with a language that aligns with personal interests and has a strong community support system is crucial. Learning resources for beginners. Once the programming language is chosen, the next step is to explore learning resources. Fortunately, there is a wealth of online and offline materials tailored for beginners. Here are some popular resources. 1. Online coding platforms. Platforms like Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, and Khan Academy offer interactive coding lessons with hands-on exercises. They provide a structured learning path and immediate feedback. 2. Programming courses. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Udemy host courses from universities and industry professionals. These platforms offer in-depth courses covering various programming languages and topics. 3. Books. For those who prefer traditional learning, books are an excellent resource. Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by Al Swigart and Eloquent JavaScript by Maren Haverbeek are highly recommended for beginners. 4. Coding challenges and competitions. Platforms like HackerRank, LeetCode, and CodeWars provide coding challenges of varying difficulty levels. Engaging in these challenges enhances problem-solving skills and coding proficiency. 5. YouTube tutorials. YouTube is a treasure trove of coding tutorials. Channels like the Net Ninja, Traversy Media, and Corey Schaefer offer comprehensive tutorials on various programming topics. 6. Community forums. Joining coding communities such as Stack Overflow, Reddit's and Discord servers allows beginners to seek help, share experiences, and learn from others. 7. Interactive coding games. Games like Code Combat and Checkio turn learning to code into a playful experience. These platforms gamify coding, making it enjoyable and engaging. Practical steps to start coding. 1. Define your goal. Clearly define your goal for learning to code. Whether it's building websites, analyzing data, creating mobile apps, or exploring artificial intelligence, having a clear goal will guide your learning path. 2. Choose a language. Based on your goal, choose a programming language that aligns with your interests. Python is an excellent choice for its versatility, while JavaScript is crucial for web development. 3. Set up your development environment. Install the necessary tools and software to create and run your code. This may include a code editor, e.g., Visual Studio Code, a web browser, and language-specific development environments. 4. Understand basic concepts. Familiarize yourself with fundamental coding concepts, such as variables, data types, loops, and conditional statements. These concepts form the building blocks of programming. 5. Hands-on practice. The most effective way to learn coding is through hands-on practice. Start with simple exercises and gradually work your way up to more complex projects. 6. Learn by building projects. Apply your knowledge by building small projects related to your interests. This could be a personal website, a simple game, or a data analysis project. 7. Seek help and collaboration. Don't hesitate to seek help from online communities or forums when you encounter challenges. Collaboration with others can provide valuable insights and accelerate your learning. 8. Stay consistent. Learning to code is a continuous process that requires consistency. Dedicate regular time to coding practice, and celebrate small victories along the way. 9. Explore advanced topics. As you gain confidence, explore more advanced topics like object-oriented programming, algorithms, and frameworks relevant to your chosen language. 10. Contribute to open source. Consider contributing to open-source projects on platforms like GitHub. This not only enhances your coding skills but also allows you to collaborate with experienced developers. Conclusion. Coding for beginners is an exciting journey that opens doors to a world of possibilities. By understanding the significance of coding, choosing the right programming language, exploring available resources, and taking practical steps, beginners can embark on a path of continuous learning and skill development. Whether aiming for a career in software development or seeking to apply coding skills in other domains, the journey begins with a single line of code and a curious mind. As coding proficiency grows, so does the ability to create, innovate, and contribute to the ever-evolving digital landscape. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.